Hi there, students. I had a question from Tanzine asking what's the difference between afterwards, after that, and later. So, for example, he ate 2 dozen oysters and afterwards he had a terrible stomachache. He ate 2 dozen oysters and later he had a terrible stomachache. He ate 2 dozen oysters and after that he had a terrible stomachache. I think in this example all three are the same and you could use them interchangeably. Let's see. Afterwards means the next thing that happened. So we went to the cinema and afterwards we went to a really good restaurant. We went to the cinema and after that we went to a great restaurant. So both of these are saying that immediately after that, the next thing we did was we went to the cinema and later we went to a restaurant. Here we may have done something else in between. Yeah, I think after that and afterwards say the next thing, the thing that came next. Later just says later in time from that. It doesn't say how much later. It doesn't sequence the events. For example, as well, after that, it's very good for using for three things. So we went for a walk and afterwards we sat and had some coffee. And after that, we all went home. Okay, so this is giving a nice sequence of events. Yeah, after that is saying the thing that happened immediately after the previous one. Afterwards again, but later just says somewhere at a later time, but it doesn't say immediately afterwards. So I think that's probably it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Afterwards, after that, and later.